Sorry. Sorry. This is a noun which means sound. Again, sorry means sound. Next word is mulgogi. Again, it's mulgogi. This is another noun and it means fish. Again, mulgogi means fish. Next word is chima. Again, it's chima. This is another noun and it pertains to skirt. Again, chima means skirt. Next word is hamke. Again, it's hamke. And this is used to say together. Again, hamke means together. Next word is chimi. Again, it's chimi. And this is the Korean term for hobby. Again, chimi means hobby. Next word is chaida. Again, it's chaida. This is a verb which means to be dumped or to be kicked. Again, chaida means to be dumped or to be kicked. Next word is mocha. Again, it's mocha. This is a noun which means hat or cap. Again, mocha means hat or cap. Next word is pepper. Again, it's pepper. This is a noun which pertains to best friend. So it's sort of a shortened version of best friend. So again, pepper means best friend. Next word is talgi. This is a Korean noun and it pertains to strawberry. Again, talgi means strawberry. Next word is sek. Again, it's sek. This is a noun which means color. Again, sek means color.